Hello guys, welcome to another review. Today we're looking at whether the A7 Pro can be able to play Fortnite. So I did this series last year with my F5 Pro. First of all, you need to last time it was slightly different because you had to download it from the Fortnite web store, but for now it's available at the Play Store, so it's more easier. So this article was written in 2018 and these are the compatible devices. So it didn't work for me, but right now what you need is the at least 3 GB of RAM, Umidigi A7 MP20, which this device has, and at least Android 8. This one has Android 10 and 64 GB. 64 the Fortnite app, and we're going to see if it's going to work. So personally, before I downloaded the app, I didn't think it's going to work. I was just doing a video to maybe show you guys that it's not going to work, but I tried it like 30 minutes ago and it brought me to this point, so which looks like it's going to it's more likely to work. So we are just going to see how it's going to play, whether you should buy this phone to play Fortnite or not, or if you have the previous F5 Pro, is it worth to upgrade? Okay, so it's saying device not officially supported, but it can still work with some stability issues because Fortnite is not yet supporting it. Even as some phones such as the Samsung S10, not the Samsung, but one of the main flagships, like I think OnePlus, if I'm not wrong, it's not being supported, but it actually works. So we are going to see if it works or not. Okay, so if it has reached this point, it's more likely to work. By the way, when you use this phone, it feels a bit snappy. The display is really nice. It's almost 4K. I believe it's 2300 and something by 1080p. So that's past even 2K. It's way past 1080p phones, which are usually not available with phones around this price range. So for me, this one is a 64 GB phone, but you can get it at around 124 GB, around 120 something, 128 GB if you want. And the other nice thing about this phone is the RAM. So you can choose whether the RAM will come with 4 GB of RAM, which is enough to play Fortnite and do multitasking in most phone operations. Okay, so it's now loading. And it has managed to play. So just choose a normal color game mode for the test purposes. Concerning the settings, the game has determined that the phone will be playing at medium settings. Okay, so this is how it works. I'm not a professional of this game, but it actually plays nice. So for the test purposes, let me just try it now. I've seen a bit of lag, but with some more optimization that you can do on your end, I think it will be better. Okay, so if you currently have the Umidigi A7pro, or the A7pro, and you want to upgrade, for the purpose of using an Umidigi A7, Umidigi A7, which is another the kids that now will get more different. So that's but the validation was pretty nice. I never told you this format. So I will download the game. Let me just turn it back. So the number is a bit funny. So it's playing really well. Or you can select the mode that you want. And here let me just play. It's not that fun. But basically it can play Fortnite, as you can see. So let me get the system and I'll try to Straight away we go for animation. This is on the clicks. It's not the one that I cancel that. It's really nice for mobile game to be this large. That's how you want. So you can definitely play Fortnite on your mobile. The difference is on mobile it's 20 FPS. So in console sometimes people are complaining because of playing at 60 FPS. So I'm not sure how 30 FPS is going to be. But it's pretty smooth for me. There's no lag now. And so you can just maybe I'm looking for someone that I can't find. By the way, you can choose the mode that you want. If you want it to automatically fire, it's possible to allow that. Okay, let me try to go for this first. The speakers of this one are quite nice. They're better than the Umidigi A7pro. So can we get some? Oh, I think this plays a bit. So if I manage to get let's apply, I think you can definitely play this game with Umidigi A7pro. Let's see how that applies. And switching for me it's not that easy. Oh, the bad thing is that I don't have see how it's going to play. How do I switch? But you can definitely play this game but for now that's the test. And for my parting shot, I think if you've never owned the Umidigi device, especially the Umidigi A7pro, and you want to get a budget device that can play Fortnite, this is for you. But if you previously got the Umidigi A7pro, it's slightly similar to this one, apart from the display and maybe they have added a camera which most people won't use. Most things are the same. So if you are an A7pro user, don't buy this one. Instead, buy the Umidigi A7pro. And also for the people who want to play Fortnite professionally on mobile, maybe you should get the Umidigi A7pro instead of this. But if you're on a budget, this will be enough for you. It's able to play Fortnite at good frame rates. 30 FPS is good for phone at medium range settings. So have a nice day. Make sure you like and subscribe video.